Good morning and assalamu alaikum, my students, my fellows. Hope you fine and you will better to better. Okay. So our next lectures about a tense is present perfect continuous tense. Before me joining, please watch my previous lectures about tenses. Before a best English speaker, please watching my lectures. Present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and now present perfect continuous tense, and it's a next lecture present perfect continuous tense. Firstly, we recap and review present perfect continue in a Urdu recognitions. In the end of sentence, रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, with the time and with the time of periods. Okay. So it's a Urdu recognition and identification. And then English recognition. What's English recognitions about this tense and how can we recognize for present perfect continuous tense? Yes, has been. In this sentence, the use of has been, have been with the first form of verb with ing, and the use of time, starting time to with since, and period of time with the use of for. So, in an easy way, use of has been, have been, and with the use of time and time periods, with the use of since and for, and use of first form of verb with ing. Okay, and let's next lecture. So, and now let's next examples for a present perfect continuous tense. So let's start just like the chief minister chief minister has been distributing laptop for 2 months. And the farmers have been harvesting crops since since 2000 21. And first subject the artist. Or the photographer has been drawing the pictures for 10 years. And the students have been learning lecture since morning, and the watchman has been watching and looking after since and for last night and the birds have been chirping have been sleeping since morning. And have the naughty boys been making noise? Interrogative. And the Hina has not sleeping Hina has not been sleeping since evening. And since evening and since afternoon. Since afternoon, because we not use afternoon. Okay, afternoon. And interrogative, negative, and negative and interrogative. Has the boy not been playing football for 3 months. Okay, so students, so let's see example of present perfect continuous tense. And today we do use of has been, have been, and method of present perfect continuous tense. आज हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यू टेंस जो है इसका आज हम मेथड करेंगे. एंड कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस जो है वो इसके सेंटेंसेस कैसे जो है इसको बनाते हैं, किस तरह करते हैं. व्हाट्स मेथड ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यू टेंस. यस, फर्स्टली subject, okay, subject, then helping verb and helping verb, first form of verb with ing, and then object. Okay, helping verb, firstly subject, helping verb, first form of verb, and subject, helping verb, first form of verb, and then object, objects, and the time period. Okay, so it's a affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence because it's a not interrogative and a negative sentence. Affirmative sentence, the use of has been, have been, first form of verb, and then object, and yes, and the period, the time periods. Okay, so the chief minister has been distributing laptop for 2 months, and the farmer have been harvesting crops since 2021, because it's a century of highlighting 2021. And then and here, firstly here the use of for, because here is not specific time, 2 months. 2 months, which 2 months? Jan, Feb, March, April, which not a mention here name of months. So here is we use of for. यहाँ क्योंकि सेंचुरी जो है, मंथ्स नेम जो है वो इंक्लूड नहीं है, इसलिए यहाँ पे हम फॉर यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, एंड देन द फार्मर हैज़ बीन हार्वेस्टिंग क्रॉप सिंस 2021, एंड हियर इज मेंशन द सेंचुरी ऑफ 2021. सो here is we use of since. Okay, and the next, the artists and the photographers has been drawing the pictures for 10 years, and for 10 years, and which 10 years not mentions month's name and centuries not. So we use 10 months, we use for. यहाँ पे हम for का इस्तेमाल करेंगे बिकॉज यहाँ पे मंथ्स नेम जो है वो मेंशन नहीं है, और ईयर्स नेम और सेंचुरी यहाँ स्पेसिफिक लास्ट प्रीवियस में मैंने यही बता दिया था कि सिंस और फॉर जो है where can we use for and since. For its examples of since and for, and a method of present perfect continuous tense, and these are affirmative sentences, and then we use negative and interrogative. So here is a affirmative sentences. Affirmative, I think you understand affirmative sentences. Okay, मुस्बत फ़िक्रे जिसमें नॉट यूज़ ऑफ एंड नॉट यूज़ ऑफ इंट्रोगेटिव. सो एंड द नेक्स्ट, द स्टूडेंट्स हैव बीन लर्निंग लेक्चर्स सिंस मॉर्निंग, एंड यू आर सीइंग दैट यूज़ ऑफ सिंस with the morning. So because it's a period, which a period? Morning. So here is we use only since. And next, the watchman has been looking after for last night. Okay, so here is for and here is for the six. Okay, and here is a for last night. Which last nights? Not mention day names, just like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Not a mention here. Monday night, last night, not. So we use only for with the last night. Yes, next. Birds have been chirping since morning. So here is morning period. So we use since. यहाँ हम since use करेंगे because here is a morning. And the have the naughty boys interrogative. Here is when we do interrogative sentence. जब हम interrogative sentence करेंगे, we use helping verb has have in the start of sentence. In the start of sentence, has have in the start of sentence, and then subject the naughty boys, and then being has have the boys, naughty boys, been, and then first form of verb, and then noise. Okay, and the end question mark. So next, Hina has not been sleeping since afternoon. Hina has not. So here is negative sentence, and when we do negative sentence, firstly subject and then helping verb has with the include adding not, has not, have not. For negative sentences बनाने के लिए has not and have not. Understand? And then first form of verb, and then since afternoon, so period, starting period, afternoon with the we use since. And then here is a interrogative and negative. इंट्रोगेटिव और नेगेटिव जब दोनों एक ही सेंटेंस में आ रहे हैं, एंड हाउ वी विल डू इट. सो सी हियर, हैज़ द बॉयज नॉट बीन प्लेइंग फुटबॉल फॉर 3 months. हैज़ द बॉय हेल्पिंग वर्ब in the start of sentence, and then the boy subject, and then not been first form of verb, the subject and the football object and the period of time. 3 months. 3 months. Which months? Not mention name. Not mention month's name. So we use here only for. Okay. Use of for because here is not mention month's name. यहाँ पे month's name mention नहीं है, इसलिए यहाँ पे क्या use करेंगे? For. Understand? And at the last and the end question mark. Okay students, so it's a method of present perfect continuous tense. I think you understand, so please subscribe and like and comments me and sharing me what's not understanding any point of my lecture. So I once again and again, please comments me for your best preparing for your lecture, for your understanding in a easy way, just like you want to. Okay, so thank you so much and see you next lecture.